There's something every CapCut user needs to know about the latest 20.5.7 update because it finally fixes two of the most frustrating issues people have been dealing with: export problems and the no internet error that pops up even when you are connected. In this guide, we are breaking down what has changed, what has been fixed, and how this update makes CapCut more reliable than ever. Let's jump in. First up, if you have ever tried to export a project only for it to get stuck, glitch, or fail without any clear reason, you are not alone. Many creators reported constant export failures, especially with longer videos or those with heavy edits and effects. With version 20.5.7, those errors are significantly reduced because CapCut has optimized the export process to handle complex timelines more smoothly. That means faster exports with fewer crashes and fewer moments of frustration. Another big issue this update tackles is the no internet problem. You know, that annoying message that shows up right when you are trying to save or share your video, even when your Wi-Fi or data is working perfectly. The developers have addressed this by improving how CapCut detects your connection. So you should now be able to export and upload without seeing that error pop up out of nowhere. So that's all for this video. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.